Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark blue color, grey color, light green color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, light brown color, dark green color, pink color, dark brown color, sky blue color, red color, light brown color, violet color, blue color. This is blue color. Let's draw the shape. Rhombus. Rhombus. Heptagon. Heptagon. Trapezoid. This is sun. Semicircle. Hexagon. Olive green color. Rhombus. Rhombus. Olive green color. Pink color. Heptagon. Heptagon. Pink color. Green color. Trapezoid. Trapezoid. Green color. Yellow color. Sun. Sun. Red color. Sun. Red color. Purple color. Semicircle. semicircle, purple color. Orange color, heptagon, hexagon, 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 hexagon. Orange color, olive green color, pink color, green color, yellow color, red color, purple color, orange color. Rhombus, heptagon, trapezoid, sun, semicircle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.